So when I woke up, I made my bed. Actually, it was not like I made my bed. I just like made the blanket, and then I went to the washroom because I'm going to show you my morning routine on how like I'm getting rid of these eye bags and how I'm like making my face more attractive. I don't used to do any skincare because I thought that it was kind of gay, but now I've started it, and I would clarify that it is more gay than I even thought. And so what I'm about to do is I'm about to take ice and put it on my eye bags. I'm going to do these 10 repetitions of 3 sets on each side of my eye. And I don't know this works or not, but everyone who has eye bags does this, and I think that it would work because everyone does this, so why wouldn't it? And I also saw a video of Jordan that was so cold that putting it would like reduce some puffiness on his face also, but it also like gets you the benefit of reduced eye bags. So I did that, and also I posed because I can't stop. So after that I put ice on my whole face because I had like a thing that which like you had to freeze and that would reduce puffiness, but it was lost, so I just did it manually like you can see. And to be honest, I don't think that we have to do this like this because it was like feeling really cold and it was like feeling really irritating. I don't know that am I doing this right or not, so don't try this. But I was trying this on my eyes, and I think everyone knows that when it is about arms you can't have too many, so I also did some more posing. And after that I used face wash on my face. I slapped some water on my face, and then I just put a little bit of face wash on my hand, and then I spread it all over my face, and then I washed it. I know it is very hard to remember, it is kind of rocket science, but it's okay, you will like learn it over time. I had bad skin condition, but now I think my skin is pretty okay, pretty decent. It is not that good, but I'm in puberty obviously, so I would have some kind of acne, and it is normal to have acne during puberty, so don't worry much if you are a teenager. So this was my almost like skincare routine, and I also like use kind of face packs at some days of the week, but not that much. And after that I sat in the sunlight. Okay, that was a loud ass bike, but no worries. Sun is also important for your health, by the way. By the way, I cut my hair short.